I guess they're remodeling.
Uh-huh. They've been remodeling for a while.
And is it really open?
No, it's closed. It's going
Hey.
Hey, there isn't.
Ooh, now that's interesting. That's an interesting looking device. There used to be escalators right there behind that wall. Some more fire alarm related things. Random fire alarm there. Alright, so we're on the first floor now. This whole area here is where all the escalators used to be. All that right up there used to be where the escalators are. It's literally where the escalators used to be right here. Look at that. There were escalators right here, now they're not. I don't know if you can tell right now, but it's literally raining. Another fire alarm right here. We like a cedar.